In our previous video, we initiated a hands-on activity by distributing some empty wrappers to the students as a part of the zero investment innovative idea of learning with empty wrappers. Therefore, as discussed, let's continue the activity by taking an inquiry-based approach in this session to explain the concepts of estimating the duration of familiar events, finding the approximate time elapsed, and computing the number of days between two dates. Begin by asking the students in each group to find the two dates that are mentioned on their wrappers. Continue to ask the students what these dates are. Allowing the students to find the manufacturing date and expiry date will hone their critical thinking skills. Accept all responses from the students. Next, ask what is the number of days between the two dates. Allow the students to respond. Then, ask the students in which month was the item packed. Allow the students to respond. Further, ask in which month will the item expire. Accept all responses from the students. Lastly, ask the students in how many days from the current date would the item expire. Accept all possible responses. We will then conclude the activity by informing the students that every packaged item contains a manufacturing date and an expiry date of that item. To further assist our students with this concept, we shall now give them some homework activity. Inform the students that they have to collect the wrappers of any 4 items from their surroundings at home. Ask the students to record the information in a tabular format as shown. As the students find and enter the required information, it will aid in developing their critical thinking and observational skills. To guide the students with the way in which the information is to be filled, let's give them an example. Let's take a packet of bread for instance. Under the column for manufacturing date, the students must write the date in the numerical format as shown. For the third column, the students must denote the date in its expanded form. The 2 columns for expiry date will be filled in the same manner. Then, to calculate the expiry period, the students must count the number of days from the manufacturing date to the expiry date. Inform the students that their observations will be discussed in the classroom the next day. Conclude the activity by informing the students that in this way, we can deal with questions related to time in real life. And with that, we have come to the end of this lesson. By implementing the innovative idea of learning with empty wrappers, the students will now be able to calculate time intervals or duration of familiar daily life events by using forward or backward counting or addition and subtraction. Represent collected information in tables and draw inferences from them. Respond to simple guidelines or announcements made in English in the classroom or at school. Respond verbally or in writing to questions based on daily life experiences in English. And briefly describe personal experiences or events in English, either orally or in writing. Tune into our upcoming videos for more innovative teaching ideas like this. Until then, goodbye.